Are you thinking that nobody loves you? Always remember that Allah loves you. After Allah's love, do you think you need someone else to love you? Are you thinking that nobody will accept you after your failures? Allah accepts us without saying that how many times we failed. All He sees is a true and firm repentance. So do you think you need someone else to accept you? Are you thinking that all your plans are being ruined by you? Allah is there to plan the best for you. Do you think that you need any better plan than Allah's? Are you thinking that you are alone so you will not be able to move on? Allah is always with you. He provides ease to you. Do you think you need someone else to be with you when Allah is always with you? Always remember that Allah never leaves you. No matter in which condition you are, no matter how many failures you have faced, no matter how many times you were unable to do what you were supposed to do, make Him your power and share all your worries with Him. He is always there for you. Believe this and don't worry.